In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in negative MACD territory. We're at oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we are in negative MACD and at oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in negative MACD and approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. We are now below the 200 moving average, this green line, and that is at a price of $3.89. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $11.49. My sell target is at $12.31. My stop loss is at $11.25. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $12.61, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $11.75, and my stop loss is at $12.93. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. And as we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, natural gas has a 38% chance to climb between 0 to 10%, an 8% chance to climb between 10 to 21%. To the downside, it has a 54% chance to fall between 0 to negative 10%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.